Hello bachcho, so let's read the question. The question says, which is the function of the filiform apparatus at the entrance of the ovule? First option दिया हुआ है, guides the pollen tube from synergids to the egg. Second, it helps in the entry of the pollen tube into a synergid. Third, it prevents the entry of more than one pollen into the synergids. And fourth, it brings about the opening of the pollen tube. So the key concept for this question is filiform apparatus. So this is basically the diagram of an embryo sac. एम्ब्रायो सैक में ये वाला जो एंड है इसको बोला जाता है चलाजल एंड एंड these cells are micropyle. These cells are the antipodal cells. ये वाला जो एंड है दिस इज द माइक्रोपाइलर एंड and this right here is the filiform apparatus. filiform apparatus के जस्ट ऊपर प्रेजेंट है ये दोनों synergids and this is one egg cell, and in the middle are present the two polar nuclei. So right here we are concerned about the filiform apparatus. So filiform apparatus basically micropylar end में present होता है. Micropylar end of the embryo sac में present होता है. Secondly, they are basically finger-like projections. ये बेसिकली थिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. इट इज अ थिक पार्ट ऑफ द synergids. एक थिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है विच लीड्स टू द synergids. लेट्स सी इट्स फंक्शंस. फंक्शंस में सबसे पहले इट बेसिकली हेल्प्स इन द एंट्री ऑफ द pollen tubes into the synergids. पोलन ट्यूब का एंट्री में हेल्प करता है ये. सेकेंड, इट हेल्प्स इन द ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ मेटाबोलाइट्स. It helps in the transport of metabolites at short distances. So coming back to the question में सबसे पहला ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है it guides the pollen tube from synergids to the egg, which is wrong. जो filiform apparatus होता है वो pollen tube को guide करता है into the synergid, not from the synergid to the eggs. It guides the pollen tube into the synergids. Second, it helps in the entry of pollen tube into a synergid, which is right. Third, it prevents the entry of one or more pollen tube into the synergids. ये इसका function नहीं होता. And fourth, it brings about the opening of the pollen tube. This is also not true. So the final answer for this question is option B. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.